Hey everyone, welcome to our next section, learning about the if function. Now, the if function is an extremely powerful tool, not only in Excel, but in many other programs as well. So, in fact, once you start using this function, it's the ticket to the next level of Excel. You've gained a level. You're no longer a beginner after that. What the if function does is it compares a value to different types of conditions and provides a response depending on how that value lies within those conditions. Now, that's the definition. Now, I know it sounds like a mouthful when you say it, but when you get it on paper, it makes so much sense. Now, you actually use if functions every day, just not in Excel. You use this when you're deciding anything. When you're at the supermarket and you're picking between two fruits. If it's rotten, you're not going to buy it. If it's ripe and it's good, you're going to buy it. So you're deciding based on a set of circumstances. So what we're going to do is go through this function really slowly and step by step. By the end of this section, you'll be able to write basic if functions with multiple conditions. The topics we'll be covering include a detailed explanation of what logic functions are, because I think that's very important to know, as this is somewhat of another level of Excel, but not outside the grasp of the beginner. So we're going to build functions dealing with blanks using the OR function, AND function, and the greater and less than function. Now, this isn't the maximum capacity of the if function, but like I said, just knowing this alone will totally dominate the field. You will leave your competition in the dust. This thing is so powerful for the beginner that once you do this, you'll be cutting away extra sheets, extra data, extra formulas, and replacing it with just this one thing. So it's extremely powerful. So enough talk, let's get to it, and I'll see you guys soon.